Well, hello everyone, Mr. Sunshine coming to you live right here. We have a beautiful snap-on toolbox that had no keys. And what we have here is a lock. It's a tubular lock. This actually housing comes off. It's a trim, and we have a code number stamped on here. And by taking that, you can put that, this just spins on there. These are the keys for a snap-on flank drive plus. And by putting that key right in there, turns it up, opens it up, and you're ready to go. So we went ahead and made him with 2 keys and snap-on, also ready to go. Now, you can also, I have a pick set. Got a little pick set here. I can actually, it's actually, if you look in here, there's the pins located right there. There's a dead pin on one of them and the empty on the other. And by using that pick, which by using a key, it's going to be it's a lot of tension on that to bring that up. So using that pick is going to be a little problem. Would be a little problem because the tension on it is going to be more than what the pick is going to actually be able to handle. By turning this in and out, the tension on it is going to be a lot more than what the pick with the rubber is going to be. Move these back up here. This ring's gonna fall off. Well, thank goodness we have the key. There's a lot of pressure on that. You'd never be able to get that pick to lift it being spring loaded. And there you have it, Mr. Sunshine. Rolls-Royce Technician Eddy, snap-on, toolbox Eddy, keys made.